Okay, welcome everyone. Jason here from AllianceCorp, Property Experts. Got another great video for you. All right, so this one's all about goal setting. Now you might be saying, oh Jason, another video or an article on goal setting. But yeah, absolutely, this is what I want to talk to you about. You know, this is just so important and it's an absolute no-brainer if you want to be successful. All right, but we just got to get serious about the topic. So what we're going to touch on is the number 5 goal killers that get in the way and some tips around ensuring that you can avoid those goal killers. So some stats for you real quick, and you probably know a lot of this. Studies have shown that you're 10 times more likely to be successful if you have goals, if you work towards your goals, if you write down your goals, etc. 83% of the population simply don't have goals. Right? They might have things that they want, but are they really goals? Are they working on them? Most of the population just don't. They just go from one day or 1 week or 1 year to year without getting serious there. 14% of you have a plan in mind, but you don't write them down. 3% of you actually have goals there that you actually write down. So by far they're going to be more successful. So I do find this topic quite frustrating because we talk to a lot of people about wealth creation and I ask them, you know, what would you like to achieve? And they're all sort of looking at each other, scratching their head. We know we want to be better off, Jason, but we've never really thought about it. Well, really, this is the time to think about it, yeah? So for us, the 5 biggest goal killers for you guys is number 1, it's all about motivation. Okay, so what is your why? As I say to my clients, like, why are you here? You know, what is it about wealth creation that interests you? We really need to focus on that. Is it something to do with pain? Is there something that's giving you pain, or is there something that you want to gain? Okay, so for example, some of you might be a little bit overweight and you want to lose weight, you're worried about your health, that's a strong motivator. For some of you who want wealth creation, you might want to pay off the mortgage. What does that feel like? You might want to create passive income for yourself to replace your income, or maybe work less. Really focus on those emotions. What would that feel like? And really build up that why for yourself. You need to do this with your partner, very important, because you've got to be on the same page. And you need to schedule time to regularly review those goals. 92% of all New Year's resolution goals, they're dead in the water come February, okay? And that's because the why wasn't strong enough, right? So really, really important, you've got to get motivated when it comes to your goals. The next thing is you've got to write the goals down. All right, so there's no point just thinking about it, have them written down. It could be on a list in your wallet, it could be on the computer, it could be in the cloud, and be smart about putting those goals together. So number 1, when we talk about setting SMART goals, number 1, you've got to be specific. So be crystal clear in terms of what that goal is. They've got to be measurable, all right? So you need to review this on a regular basis. You know, are we achieving this goal? Are we building some momentum here? They've got to be achievable. You know, I want to quit my job, Jason, and tomorrow and become a professional property investor because I watched one of your videos and I'm so excited. Please don't do that. It is not that simple. Relevant, you know, is my goal relevant to my why? You know, why is it that I want to do X, Y, Z? Are these goals, are these activities relevant to the why? And time bound, you know, so you got to set deadlines. What's the point in setting a goal where you give yourself 12 months that you know that if you apply yourself, you might be able to knock it off in a month? Reality is if you leave yourself 12 months to do it, you'll probably lose interest in it anyway. So really set SMART goals when it comes to writing stuff down. Number 3, real simple guys, again, not rocket science. If I can give you the best advice after this video, implement this one. Put a plan of attack in. Schedule something in your calendar. It is that simple. There's my calendar, guys. I get up at 5 a.m. every morning, even on the weekends, unless of course I've had a big night the night before. I'm up early for my power hour. I'm out obviously getting ready for the day. I'll take my dogs for a walk and I'm just building up my strategy in terms of how I attack that day. I do a little bit of trading. Yes, I love my property investing, but I also diversify. I've got special projects there. This is where I work on a lot of my personal goals, my family goals, my business goals, but I can't avoid not working and not reviewing my goals because it's in my calendar daily. So the best advice I can give you straight after this video, jump on the computer, jump on your phone and schedule something into your calendar. For those of you who really want to make significant improvements in your life, I can't recommend enough that you get the book, The 5 AM Club, and have a look at Robin Sharma's work, which was introduced 20 years ago about getting up early, getting up at 5 AM, and the amount of stuff that you can achieve early in the morning. Absolutely recommend it. It changed my life. The number 4, too many distractions, right? So we had a funny exercise not too long ago where we were at a dinner party with friends, and I actually asked them, how much time are you guys spending on your phone? And on your Apple iPhones, it actually tells you how much time you spend on social media, etc. I had some friends there spending as much as 3 hours a day, 20 hours a week. Imagine you could dedicate that time to working on your goals and what you could achieve. And then of course there's friends and family sometimes who aren't as supporting as they could be when it comes to your goals. Sometimes they can be quite negative, you've got to be careful of that. Obviously work commitments can get in the way, but at the end of the day, it's all about not making excuses, right? Just get it done, schedule stuff in your calendar and stay focused. Then of course you might be asking yourself, well, what else can I do? Well, my advice to you is get a goal coach. All right, if one of your goals is to lose weight, what do? You call up a local personal trainer and you get them to help with you, so help them with that goal. There's no different to you in terms of your general goals or your investment goals. In our business, we have a number of coaches. We have property coaches, we have money coaches. The money coaches will help you with your savings plans or budgeting or saving to achieve X, Y, Z. The property coaches are obviously there to help you get educated and confident in building a property portfolio and helping you achieve those goals. So absolutely, that's what we do in a business, because at the end of the day, sometimes all we need is a little push, right? I get it. Life is hectic, all right? And no one knows this more than myself, running my businesses, my family, your social life, and just trying to bring it all together. Sometimes I just need someone tapping me on the shoulder going, hang on a minute, let's refocus on this, let's juggle some stuff here, let's put some stuff in the calendar. And that's why coaches can be so helpful. So guys, as I said before, when you finish the video, go straight into your calendar, book some time, schedule some time with your partner, but also schedule some time with one of our senior property coaches or our money coaches for a complimentary session where they will also sit with you and help work out some of those goals and help you work out a strategy to implement those goals also. Help you enjoy the video. Thank you.